Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing of Panini Contenders. Let's see if we get any hits. I did look.
I need to get my life back.
And this is the top chase card here.
I'm going to get my
He's
life
gonna
back.
get it.
I'm going to get
Rookie
my life
golden
back. I got
ticket.
life back. I got 3 lives now.
Ricky Pearsall. They say it's going for $4,999, so let's see if we get that hit.
He's gonna get it. He's gonna get the $4,000 card.
Yeah, I didn't get you at all. I'm glad I didn't get you. Hey, let me.
I just did an unboxing of Topps Resurgence.
You know, the thing up here.
I didn't know it at the time, but the top card in that pool was Bo Nix. Let's see here. Got 5 packs.
No, I can get it. I got 2 hovers on.
8 cards per pack.
What are you using again?
I used some helpers.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go.
Turn it to me. Turn it to me.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go.
No, I'm gonna kill
Eeny,
Sonic.
meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he hollers, let him go.
What is that?
Alright.
It's the dead.
You need to kill Sonic.
This is the pack. Does this have
We lost this.
Ricky Pearsall?
I didn't die. If I used that one up.
I
I
told you.
won it for you.
How did you win? Because you didn't die. Because I told you not to.
You took me out. But
Don't
then
mind
I
the
found
background.
one up. Then
Kids
I
are
found
having a
one up.
sleepover.
Bro, I won it for you. I won it for you, bro. You want us to be on the same team? Yes. Okay.
Season ticket.
Wait, I'm more people.
I'm not too sure about any other cards besides that chase one.
No.
All of them versus us.
How many can we add? Hold up.
3.
We'll see if they're just all
it should be just 3 against 3.
basics or not.
No, stop. We're not
Season
doing
ticket.
because I don't have enough time.
Season
You guys can give us
ticket.
No, wait, hold on.
Daniel
Dad,
Jones,
do
Adam
you know
Thielen,
or there?
There.
Okay.
Josh Palmer.
Okay, you ready?
I've never opened this deck before, so I guess these are just all the basic cards.
Okay. You be
Stephon
Lucario,
Diggs.
and I'll be Incineroar.
There you go.
Wait,
Russell
no, how about
Wilson.
you be Incineroar?
Trash. I'm a Broncos fan, so
No, how about you're Incineroar?
That's-
Oh, Ace is
Okay.
on my
doesn't make
team.
me too happy.
What?
Ace is on my team.
Miles Garrett. See ya.
Bro, hey, stop changing.
Oh man, Patrick Mahomes.
Go.
Okay, we're on the same team.
Guess that's for my son. Patrick Mahomes. I don't think it's any good besides it's him.
It's just him. Probably with like $3 probably.
Draft class, Caleb Williams.
Oh yeah, also collect the most coins as you can. Why? Because, look at it. It'll count all the coins you get.
Well, if that's worth anything.
You get coins in I.
The next one.
Get that ball. Get out of here. Oh.
Yeah, that Topps Resurgence deck I opened, those cards are so destroyed,
Eat that toy. Guys, it's moving.
bent.
Moving so bad.
Oh, there we go. Cooper
Yes,
Cup,
Come here.
upside down.
No, boy.
Terry McLaurin. Nico Collins. Oh, CD Lamb.
Bro, oh my God. Hey, did we try to
Jacoby Brissett.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Ace, we need to kill Dan.
Dang, this pack was just all rotated.
Ace, we need to kill
Zay Flowers.
Well, I'm
Sorry.
sorry, but you can't. No. Ice.
up.
No. I have one more
You need to kill
life.
Daniel 2 times to get it to
Get
Daniel.
that.
Jared verse
Get that.
Chop
Get that.
Robinson.
Don't do
you
it on me.
can't, you're right.
I can't.
Hey, oh no.
Round up Michael Penix.
Hey, you should have
Rome
gave it to me. I
Odunze.
would've got him. Come here.
Not too graphical, but
No, if my if one
tell you
of
the truth, I don't know if these are good or
one of
not.
us gets it. Oh no, bro, he hit my gun. I need that gun.
Come here. Come here.
Ow.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's not fair.
Oh, do you want us to give you a computer? You want us to give
3
you a
out of
computer?
5.
Why you got the belt?
Let's see.
Do I gotta try? You actually have
Oh
to
my gosh.
So get your own belt.
try.
My son loves this guy for some reason.
Oh, bro, it's 2 against 1.
No, I'm doing the karaoke.
Okay,
He's
you got it.
overpowered.
Tyler Lockett.
Wait, hold on. Let's both be able to card. Jackson, wait, hold on. I don't want. Yeah.
Jamar Gibbs.
Yeah, Lucario versus a Kirby. Yeah.
Brian
Wait,
Burns.
why was one yellow?
That's me, though. Watch out. I'm charging up
DeAndre
my...
Swift.
War Spear?
Yeah.
Guess what? It's not.
One thing I got to say about these cards compared to the Topps Resurgence.
I'm actually good at that.
Topps Resurgence wasn't too flashy, but
Go in the map. Go, oh my
they weren't
God.
as basic as these.
Oh no. Get him, get that. No.
That looks like something.
Hey, you gotta get up here.
Ricky
Cross keep
Stallions.
aside
Blake Corum.
No. Go. Oh.
That's in there very low battle.
At least these cards are straight. Topps Resurgence, they're busted. Oh, there I go. So they're straight, and then they're all curved up.
Oh.
I'm dizzy. Hey, tell me. Smack me.
Alright, TJ Watt.
Hey, you gotta help
You
me.
just signed
You
that
gotta-
big deal.
You gotta do your thing.
Maybe. Or something. Probably not. It's basic. Dak. Harrison Smith. Lamar.
Get it. No.
I was about to.
No. Watch out. Watch out.
Ugh.
Watch out. Watch out. He just cut the leg. Why is it?
Mr. Swift. Travis Kelce.
With Maggie.
Oh my gosh, this hurts. That hurt. That really hurt.
Oh, Taco.
Kenneth Walker.
It's ours, okay?
No, are you sure?
Yeah, I caught it.
Jared Goff.
Oh my gosh, bro. Ace, we gotta get that out of
Draft
there.
class. What's this?
I'm trying.
Tony Dorsett. Joe Klecko.
Oh,
You
did I?
hit me.
1977 NFL Draft. Panini Contenders. Historic draft class.
You
Pick
ate my ore spear.
round 1, pick number 2 for Tony Dorsett. Round 6, pick 144.
No,
Joe
Ace, you
Klecko.
won it for us.
Yes, you guys won.
Maybe.
Ace, you won it for us. Thank you.
Come on, let's hit that
Yeah. Ace,
gold.
you know how you won for us?
Because I was like,
Like,
sure.
and the best
I was like not trying to push him. I'm just slowly trying to learn. Do I actually really?
Yeah, let's do this. Who's gonna find out, of course?
Yeah, it's you. Want me to find it for you?
I got it.
Derrick Henry. Another
This one's
Patrick
just
Mahomes.
Jackson
DJ Metcalf.
He just said
I'm on St. Brown. That's cool. Heard the Lions are gonna be busted up this year though. Darius Slayton. Keenan Allen. He ain't got it no more. Oh, what's this? Rookie ticket? Rookie ticket. It's an altered card. It's thick here.
You're kind of bad at the game.
Who, me?
Yeah.
There's some type of material in the card. I don't know, you see it's indented
Good deal. Can I try?
and very thick.
Hey, should I try?
Yeah.
You really want me to?
Yeah.
Because if I do, you might
Sort
lose.
of cool. I don't know if they offer numbered cards, but we didn't get any. Last one, Dallas Turner. Round 1, pick 17.
Ow. This is so much. Oh, this is that. Oi.
Here, if I throw whatever I throw,
I don't know if that's worth anything.
It's the character I have to eat.
Hopefully it's best for last.
No, I don't need a CPU.
Yeah,
Take that computer off my
Yeah,
Go over the non-season ticket.
Take
Take it. No, you're not using that.
Oh, they're parallel.
No, wait.
Let's see.
Hey, should we change
Take a
our
look.
color?
So these two Patrick Mahomes.
Let's be blue. Wait, no,
One is
no, blue. Green.
game ticket. The other is
We can
season
change the
ticket.
next time we win.
Come on, guys.
One has the sort of silver.
Yeah, go to
No.
The other one has like the red barcode, red highlight.
I'm sorry, but I'm going with Bowser.
Red Contenders right here,
You guys can't double.
as opposed to the silver right there.
Double R spear.
Because remember last time when you
Red lettering, silver lettering,
That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. The good old days. The good old days.
red barcode,
What are you talking about? That just happened 5 minutes ago.
red ticket,
Oh, yeah.
Astronaut, do your work. Get it. I got it.
I got it.
silver barcode, or silver contenders, silver barcode,
Go get him.
silver ticket,
I'm trying
silver barcode on top.
No. Oh my god.
I don't know.
I got it.
I don't like Patrick Mahomes. He's too good. At least we got Bo Nix.
Oh, at least that's not me.
Recap.
No worry, it won't hurt us.
Dallas Turner, rookie, thick.
Scrap me? Oh, that's super nice.
I don't want to butcher his name.
Get it.
I got it.
Latu,
Yo, who is that?
rookie
The
ticket,
little dumb guy.
You ate him.
1977 draft class.
I don't even know where
Rookie
I am.
Stallion,
I couldn't find myself.
Blake Corum.
I need to kill both of you guys now. Oh, I don't
Round
know.
1, Adunze, Michael Penix.
If I actually try.
Round 1, Jared Verse, Chop Robinson,
You're just too scared.
I'm too scared to try because I don't want you guys crying.
Caleb Williams. Round 1, pick 1.
You gotta do it right at the
Alright,
right
y'all have a good night.